welcome to KidDraws Today we are going to draw a present with a surprise inside. In Spanish is regalo con sorpresa. So Mama's going to teach me how to fold it over.
Okay, first we're going to fold it in half. Then in half again.
No, not like that. No, Mom.
Yes, please. Fine. Now we flip it over and we fold it in half again. Okay, so we open it and we flip it over again. And now you can draw.
So let's draw. So first I draw this, a square, the wrapping paper, bring out a bow, now we make so right now we finish our present. Let's make a surprise. Let's draw a car. So I draw like this. Right now, some lights. So let's color it. So first I'm coloring the present. So for the present I use orange, red, so I use red, so let's color the bow. I use green. Let's color a toy. Let's color the car. So I'm using red for the car. Oh no, we need to color more. This piece. I'm using red more red. I'm using more red. Okay. Now let's close it. Whoa! We got it! We finished drawing and colored our presents. Look, and this is a card. Right here now, let's open it up. It's a car! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.